In this video, we're going to be solving a logarithmic equation. You have a logarithm in the problem, and so you're trying to solve it. And therefore, since exponentials and logarithms are inverses, you know at some point you're going to need an exponential in order to be able to get m by itself. But we have to work there in the correct order. You have to isolate your log base 6 of m in order to be able to use that exponential. So like any other problem where you have either a square root or a square, an absolute value, something like that, you want to isolate that thing, that quantity, to get it alone. So in this case, we have 11 log base 6 of m. We've subtracted 19 from both sides, and that leaves us with 22. You see now that we've isolated our logarithmic term, our next step is to isolate just the log. So this 11 that's out front, remember that's being multiplied. So therefore we are going to divide by 11 on both sides to get just your logarithm all by itself. So you have the log base 6 of m equals 22 divided by 11. That's just 2. And so now we're going to use an exponential in order to help us inverse and undo the logarithm. So here we essentially do 6 to the power of the left side equals 6 to the power of the right side. So remember, that's how you handle your inverses. Each side becomes the exponent of a base of 6. It's kind of weird to say, but each side becomes the exponent. And in doing so, this is how we use our inverses. In doing so, the log base 6 and the 6 cancel each other out because they are inverses. And so what that leaves us with is that m is all by itself now. There's nothing else inside that logarithm. It's possible that another equation could have like an m plus 1 or m plus something or multiplied by something where you'd have another step to do at this point. But I don't in this case. I just have 6 squared, which is just a nice 36. And so your answer to that problem is 36.